Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn the block about the blockchain. On the very previous video, I shared something about the word nonce and the hash. These both are like interconnected to each other. So we are going to learn like in detail about this, like how this work and how the block are added to the blockchain. So suppose the nonce is a number where you have to match it the nonce to the targeted number. Here I targeted number is not there, but the SHA-256 algorithm will give the targeted number, and you have to match that targeted number with this nonce. Once the nonce are matched to the targeted number, then your block are mined and it will added to the blockchain once is verified by the other miners. So how that other miner verify your block is uh, true. I mean your block are is true, and it's completely verified and is completely genuine. So how other miner will know? So it will take your nonce at that point where you mined that block. So it will take that nonce and will verify your nonce with the targeted number, and if the targeted number is same as the nonce, then it will verify, and also it will verify the the data, the hash, the previous hash and difficulties, and also there are some other data are there. Also we are going to learn about that too. So at that time your block are mined and will added to the blockchain. So other miner will also verify your data too. So once you you think if you mine the block and you directly you get the 3.125 bitcoin, that is not true. You mined the block, you mine the block, but other miner will also verify your block, and if it's true and if it's genuine, then your block will add it to the blockchain. So such as for example on the data we'll take Nils and 5 bitcoin to meet. So you can see like once I every word the hash are changing continuously. So you need the color are red. Let me take you one. So the right now, okay. So right now at the one first block, this block are minor right now at this hash and at this nonce. Once I change the nonce to suppose since I said just 18 instead of 19, I add 18. So right now this block is not verified by the miners, and just trying to say that this block is not true. Okay, but if I do trying to mine at this nonce, I will get the difference as you will see. So you see at this nonce I'm getting the different hash. So at every nonce you will get the different hash. So like if I'm changing the single thing on the nonce, then the hash will completely change it. So the SHA-256 algorithm that work on the same. Like suppose if you are changing anything on your data, then it will completely change your hashes too. But if you also change something on your nonce, then your hash is completely will change too. So basically as nonce are the, you can say, like nonce is changing, it is continuously changing till it not mined. But after it mined, and verified by the miners, then it will stay for block 1 the nonce is this. So if in future someone want to like verify the block, then it can verify your block by your nonce. It will like take your nonce, it will take the targeted number, and the nonce and targeted number is same, then your miner is like your block is genuine and it's succeed to funnel. So you see in this our video like how nonce are mined, like sorry, how nonce are worked and how block are mined in the case of nonce. Also let me take you something about new, the blockchain. So all these things are like same, but the one thing the previous has are added. So like what is previous hash? The previous hash is nothing but the hash of the previous block, like the block 1. So let me give you example of the block 1. You see the hash 0000157, and on the block 2 you see the previous hash is 0000157 and so on. So like as I said, in the blockchain, every blockchain are connected or like interconnected to each other. So how they connected to each other? So they connected to this previous hash. The previous hash is pointing that this miner are like connected to this, not connected, but this miner are pointing to this like you can say this blockchain. This block are pointing to this block. So you see the block sorry, block 2 is pointed to the block 1, so that the block 2 is connected to block 1, and so for the block 3, the block 3 is connected to block 2. You can see the hashes of block 2 and you can see the previous hashes of block 3 are the same. So just like that the blockchain is formed. So you see every single block are connected to this previous hashes and forming a complete blockchain. So just like that, I also send you that the nonce the data and the SHA-256 algorithm I have mentioned and I have explained you. So just like that, suppose I'm like adding zero, just a zero on the data. So you see the red color are clearly shown. That means just adding like just changing a single data, you know every like block are corrupted. Why? Because at this nonce, at this hash, the data is not this data is not supposed to be there. Why? Because at this nonce, at this hash, there is no data. But right now at this hash and nonce, there is something data. So it will completely change the hash. Okay, to match this, it will completely change the hash. And if this hash are changed, then on the block 2 the previous hash are changed, and if the previous hash are changed, then the hash will also change themselves on the block 2. And as the block 2 has changed their hashes, so also on the block 3 the previous hash of the block 2 will also change. So you see how these things are working. Just changing on the block 1, it will automatically affecting to the block 4, 5 and so on. So you are clearly seeing that just changing or just disrupting the block 1, every block on the blockchain are automatically disrupted. Why they are disrupted? Because of the previous hashes they have, because previous hashes is pointing to the previous block, and if any change in the previous block will automatically affect the current block. So just like that, if I am changing changed such as Neil sand 5 BTC to mid. Then you see, if I click mine in the block 1, then you see this block are verified and mined. Okay, and the hash are, the hash are changed right now. So if I mine the block 2, then you see these things are also mined and verified. So you see, like you see the hashes and the previous hashes, like previous hashes of block 3 and the hashes of the block 2. Just look at it. Once I like click on mine, so the hashes and previous hashes are like same. Yeah, it in before the previous hash was different, but right now it's different. So why? Because at this nonce, at this hash rate, the data is available according to that. So that's how clearly beautiful is. Just changing single data in any block, it will automatically affect to the all blocks in the blockchain. So that's how it's unhackable, that it's make. So like no any hacker can hack this block, because right now this is not completely, like not complete information of the block that are there. But if you know, like if I add just as right now this block are mined and this are saying like nils and 5 bitcoin to mid. But for suppose I write 7, then it will show this block is invalid, and it will show the error, and it will not mine this block. So I hope you like this video. So let's end our video, and stay tuned for another one.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.